So today, we will discuss about the stability information using the various stability diagrams, trim tables, and stress tables used on board ships. Number 1. Stability diagrams. So first, what is ship stability? Imagine a ship floating on water when strong winds or waves try to tilt it, heel it. Stability is its stability to return to being upright, just like a wobble toy. It wobbles but comes back to center. GZ curve. Rightening arm curve. The GZ curve shows how strong the ship's ability is to return upright at different angles. GZ is the righting arm, the force that brings the ship back upright. This curve shows at small angles is the ship easy to tilt or hard at larger angles. Will it come back to tilt over? The bigger the area under the GZ curve, the more stable the ship is. Key-in curve. Cruise curve of stability. Key-in is measurement from the keel, bottom of the ship, to the center of the buoyancy, where the upright water force acts. It helps calculate GC using the formula. Number 2. Trim tables. What is trim? Trim means the difference in the water depth at the front or the bow and the back or the stern of the ship. If the stern is deeper, equals the trim by stern. If the bow is deeper, trim by the bow. Why is this important? Uneven trim affects fuel use, steering, and safety. Trim tables help you see how different cargo positions affect trim. Think of it like balancing a seesaw. If you move weights around the ship, tilts forward or backward. Number 3. Stress tables. What are the stresses on the ship? When the ship carries cargo and faces waves, the structure bends and twists. Two main stresses. Shear force tries to slide parts of the ship in different directions. Bending moment tries to bend the ship like a stick being pushed from the both ends. Why are stress tables important? They help the ship's crew know if the structure is safe under current load, prevent cracks, breaks, or even sinking due to too much stress. Stress tables and diagrams show where the ship is under the most pressure so you can adjust cargo if needed. Simple example to help you understand all three. Imagine the ship is like a long board on water. The GZ curve tells you how to easy or hard it to dip that board and whenever it comes back. The trim table shows how the board tilts forward, backward, depending on where the people stand. The stress table tells you if the board will crack or bend depending on where weight is placed.